athletes. Right now we are in the semifinals round. 8 started, there are only 4 left. With 2 spots in the finals, who will take the first spot? Will it be Monster Mutt Rottweiler and Darren Basil, or Cole Vennard and Gravedigger? Out the whole shot first is Cole Vennard and Gravedigger, side by side over the tabletop. Into the first turn they go. Gravedigger to the outside, Rottweiler on the inside. Over the roll they go. Gravedigger with a little jump down there side by side, going to the second turn. A little bit of the turn over there. Gravedigger on the inside, Rottweiler trying to get inside here. Dominator main event. Who will he face? Coming up in our second race here in the semifinals, we have the battle of the ladies of the competition. Monster Mutt Dalmatian and Cynthia Gauthier taking on Scooby-Doo and Brianna Mahan. Both ladies can really use a point here as they are tied right now neck and neck with 1 point to the overall event standings. Side by side in the first turn. Scooby-Doo on the inside, Dalmatian now right behind, trying to take the inside over the wall. And just about one speedster length here lead for Scooby-Doo and Brianna Mahan. No one is tight for the second turn. Here comes Dalmatian and Scooby-Doo down the whole stretch. Dalmatian wants Scooby-Doo for the win. For our Speedster obstacle course race. This is the AMSOIL Dominator main event between Cole Vennard and Gravedigger and Cynthia Gauthier in Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Providence, here we go! Gravedigger accelerating fast on the whole shot. Dalmatian had a trouble staying on all 4 wheels. And Dalmatian comes back on the cage. Into the first turn. Around the halfway point here. Dalmatian on the inside there, side by side over the wall. Down the tabletop. They are really having some action going here in this race. Both athletes want this point. Can Dalmatian make up the lead? Right now it's Gravedigger's looking to take the point.
You know, it's really slippery out here. It's kind of sandy and everything. And her, Cynthia and I, we were beating off each other a little bit there. I got a little bit of her pain. She got a little bit of my pain. Gravedigger came out on top.
Gravedigger did, and that's 1 more point for Team Gravedigger. You have 3 points right now, just standing on top. But we have one huge competition to go. The Monster Jam Freestyle competition, which is worth 2 points for the athletes. Tell me, what can your fans expect from your freestyle?
Well, last night I had a little mess up, and I crashed the very first hit. So freestyle is my favorite. I don't know about you guys, but I want to make up for what I did last night. The truck's already all busted up. Why not do it some more?